Welcome back to the Ghost Watches channel. I'm Casper, and today we're doing something a little bit different. We are going to talk EDC. A couple of you in the comments reached out and said, hey, what's that knife you had? It'd be really cool to do an EDC video. So this is it. Also, as a bonus, I've got an unboxing right over here with another knife. Here's my story on knives. I really haven't been into pocket knives, to be perfectly honest, until very, very recently. Thanks to a couple of my buddies really getting me interested and getting me started on this hobby. So first off, this is my Swiss Army pocket knife. My dad gave this to me after a trip to Europe. The next watch that I picked up is this Opinel. Honestly, when I saw it and the price point, I figured, why not give it a shot? Super inexpensive knife, but it got me thinking, man, I want something that I can open up without having to go through the whole two-handed process. I finally realized why all these guys out there are jumping into knives. While I was thinking this, my wife got me this really cool Damascus flipper for my birthday. I mean, take a look at that blade. That is just awesome. It's got really great action and the flip out is just buttery smooth. Plus, it's like a pen. It's literally the size of a pen. Here's my mechanical pencil right here. So it fits in the pocket really nicely. And right around that time, I was talking to a couple of my buddies. David reached out and we got to chatting, and I actually bought from him these two Kershaw knives kind of to get me started. And this one is a Kershaw Anso Design 1160. It kind of travels like the Opinel. Finally, I've got this big, huge behemoth. Love this blade. A lot of you guys already know what this is. It's the Ken Onion Design 1670. I love this knife. It feels like a bolt in your hand when you open it. Just, man, I love the opening action on that. Now, I mentioned that I picked up this Opinel knife, and I just want to talk to you guys. Look, this is Bespoke Post. I am not sponsored in any way by Bespoke Post. I've been subscribing to their monthly boxes for a while now. You can actually pick up this Opinel for like dirt cheap over on Bespoke Post. I think if you're a member, it's something like 14 bucks. Amazon also has that Opinel, I think around somewhere the same price. But the cool thing with Bespoke Post is for $45 a month before taxes and shipping, you can be subscribed and cancel a box if you don't like it, or if you don't want to spend the money that month. You can be a member for basically nothing. So this month, I really liked their knife box. It comes in this, man, this is a really nice leather pouch here. This is the Rill Simple Tools company. This is their Damascus folder. It comes with a sharpening tool there, and then here is the knife. Cool thing about this knife, from what I was reading online, they end up recycling a lot of the material. So this is actually recycled skateboard that they have made down into this handle, and oh man, this is just beautiful. Man, the graining and the tone on it. This is brass here, so it'll patina. The handle feels amazing, and this blade, oh man, I can already tell this is nice and sharp. If you are interested in Bespoke Post, I'm not sponsored, but I do have a referral code where you can get $20 off your first month's shipment. So check out the link in the description below, and you can pick up a knife like this or almost any other of their boxes. Go ahead and check that out. Create an account. It doesn't cost you anything to do that, and you're actually helping out the channel a little bit. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, well, what's a closer I can use? Keep it sharp? Yeah, let's do that. Until next time, keep it sharp, folks.